Hello, welcome. In today's video we are going to learn how to play creep. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and let's get started. So first let's get the chords in our fingers. So we have G, just strum that one. Next we have B. I like to bar with just 2 fingers and then staircase down. But some people like to do a full bar. So find the one that feels right for you. If you need help mastering bar chords, I have a whole ukulele yoga where you like breathe and stretch into the positions to do bar chords. People have been really happy with that. Next we have C and C minor. So that one I'm just holding down 3 strings with the index fingers. Okay, so let's work on the strumming pattern. It's down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And we'll do that 4 times for each chord. And then let's try it on B now. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 2, 3, 4. I messed that one up. And then C. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 2, down, 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 3, down, 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 4, down, 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 up. And now on C minor. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Now let's say that is really challenging for you. Then you can match us with a down, 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 down. And you can accent the 3rd down. And how do you accent something? Well, just give a wider strum. Look up. Most of my strums are here, but the accented one is going to be wider. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And see, it's so simple, but it already sounds so good. Okay, so now if you want to do a finger picking pattern, assign 1 finger for each string. Okay, good. And let's go to G. And I'm just doing string 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. So I don't know if you heard that, but there was a little gap in my finger picking because finger picking is really, it's a truth teller. Like strumming, I can get away with not switching perfectly on time, but with finger picking, there really is no hiding it. So I have a suggestion. Instead of doing 4, 3, 2, 1, try picking all of them together. Look up. Together, index, middle ring. Together, index, middle ring. And then switch to B. 1, 2, ready, go. And then, if I remember correctly from Cynthia Lynn's tutorial, she has a 4, 3, and a 2, 1 together. So it sounds like this. So that's thumb, index, and then the middle and the ring are together, and the index. Thumb, index, middle ring, index. Thumb, index, middle ring, index. And I think this one sounds lovely. 4 times, and then you switch. I think if I can suggest anything, and most of my beginners never listen to me on this suggestion, but those of you who do, you're going to see a big difference. Practice without this hand, practice this, look, and switching to B. Without strumming, just silent playing. Silent playing, is that a thing? Silent practice, there we go. This, just doing this is going to help you so much with speed. Plus, if you're like watching TV or spending time with people and they're around and you don't want to play, this can still be practice because you're working on muscle memory and on building speed and on your fingers getting to know your ukulele. It also helps if you practice this on the same ukulele every time, because most of all of y'all have a bunch of ukuleles. I do too. I'm not judging. Judging a little bit. Okay, so when I listen to the song, the intro and the verse sound really delicate and gentle, and then the chorus really punches you, you know. So you can make a difference in those by doing this. On the verse, gentle. Okay, and then wider strumming for the chorus. Honestly, you could do that for the whole song. The whole song has that driving beat. Listen to it and you'll hear the snare drum and the cymbal and the guitar all giving you that cha 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 cha. Okay. By the way, I have a printable resource, and this video was released early for the Patreon, so if you want printable resources, ukulele desktop white papers, wallpapers, ringtones, and extra stuff, join us on the Patreon family. Alright, so let's get the finger picking pattern in our hands. We'll go slowly, choose the pattern you like best or make one up, and we'll just go through the chord progression just for fun. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Switch. Don't stop. Just keep going. C. C minor. Be dramatic. Start again. B. Really get in your feelings here. C. C minor. Drama. Awesome! Okay, let's review the strumming pattern. Let's get that in our hands. Again, it was down, 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 down. So we're going to do it like soft and gentle, and then we're gonna punch it, okay? Let me move my sleeve up while I do this. Please hit the like button. I love you, thank you. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Back to the finger picking. Ready, go. Slow down. Drama. Finish on a G. Okay, so that was like a super abbreviated version where you have gentle and then strumming and then really loud strumming and then bring it back down to gentle and then like a super dramatic ending. So even though we have 4 chords that you play 4 times on a cycle, you can do a lot with this song. So I hope that you'll have fun with this tutorial. Let me know what you thought about it. And if you do covers of it, please tag me. We have a Facebook group called Ukelandia, so you can throw it on there. We'll watch it and praise you. We have Instagram hashtags. One of them is Plazi made me do it because my Instagram name is Plazi. And you can find us on Patreon as well. The Patreon helps support the channel, but also I'm creating a bunch of resources for you guys. I don't say this often enough, but I have a master's degree in education and curriculum writing. And another emphasis of mine was video editing, hence why I'm doing this. My bachelor's degree was in music, or is in music as well, and I am certified to teach in private and public schools, charter schools, anywhere. So this really is what I studied for, to create resources to teach and to help you in your learning journey. So any resources that I create, I put on Patreon for the patrons. I hope that you had fun with this tutorial. This one was actually recorded on World Ukulele Day, so yeah, happy World Ukulele Day. And I want to thank the sponsor, Enya, for sponsoring today's video. They help, like the patrons, they help keep this channel alive. I'll put links down below to all of the Enya ukuleles that I really like and recommend, because the value and the price and the accessibility just is unmatched. That's why I chose them as a sponsor. Okay, enough talking. Thank you so much for being my student. Thank you for letting me be your teacher, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!